Hi guys, it's a nice sunny winter day here, and luckily this year we have almost no snow, which is fantastic so far. Now I'm here to talk about a project I've been working on for some time now, and I know my video title might be a little misleading because I said that I built a Jeep out of garbage, and while this Jeep is basically built out of garbage, it's not the one I'm talking about in this video. Instead, I'm talking about this little guy. Now, I had some time to kill over the past few months, so I wanted to build a little model kit, but they were too much money, so I decided to build this out of garbage. So you're gonna see what I'm talking about in the rest of this video. So this project started when, after some renovations, we were left with some scrap metal from an air duct that we removed. Using this scrap metal, I cut and shaped a bit of it into the basic shape of a Jeep tub. Mind you, this is not a precise scale model and it doesn't look exactly like a Jeep, but it's close enough for me. Next, I sprayed the tub with some rocker guard because that's basically what my real Jeep is covered with in most spots. I then fabricated some wheels from a bit of MDF and foam insulation. But in the end, I didn't really like these, so as you'll see later on, I ordered some real RC wheels for it. Here I fabricated a windscreen and hood for it, as well as attached the doors with small hinges. And after building a little frame from wood, I was able to attach some simple threaded rod axles. And now a good coat of green paint to match my big Jeep, and some rocker guard and paint on the wheels. Next, I made up some stencils and painted on some logos. Here I put in a plastic windscreen and a logo on the tailgate. And now I sprayed on some fake mud, made up a front bumper, installed some headlights, and mocked up the roll cage with hot glue. Using a few 3-volt batteries in series, I made a little 12-volt battery pack to run the headlights with a switch on the dash. Here I have the roll cage welded in, as well as some seats that I made up. I also made up a steering wheel and put a little dashboard and drew on some gauges, radio, and glove box. Here I made up a little winch for the front bumper. And finally, here are the new wheels I ordered to replace the ugly ones that I made. Alright, so here's how it looks currently. You can see here the doors open and close. The hood opens as well. Inside there I've got some wiring for the lights and a little battery I put together to run 12 volts. And if you look up front here, see the lights work. And I put this fake little winch on it, little bumpers and stuff. And my plan is to maybe do an update video because I'd like to do a little bit of improvements on it. I'm not a big fan of these seat covers. I just used some microfiber cloths and I painted them brown. They're actually green and the green is showing through, but I have some old Jeep seat covers from a real Jeep that I might cut the material up and redo these. And also my marker painted on dashboard. I might do something a little nicer with that. And the steering wheel, you can see I just made it out of wire and wrapped it with some string. So it's kind of a cheap steering wheel, but I got this little steering wheel keychain off of Wish or something like that. They're pretty cheap, but it's a nice little steering wheel. So I thought about, what's the focus on that? Thought about maybe swapping that out. And I also got this little guy, the little keychain shifter. So I thought about putting that in there as well. That'll fit right down there and maybe make some sort of console. And my Jeep outside has an air tank behind the driver's seat for the air compressor. And I got this little, it was actually a NOS tank, but there's no nitrous in this thing. So I think I might put that back there to simulate the air tank I have in my big Jeep. And lastly, I would like to maybe make up a fake motor and do a little bit of woodworking and try to make something neat to go inside there. And someday maybe I'll actually put a motor in it, make it RC controlled, but that might not happen. But for now, it's just a fun little project to work on when I have nothing else to do. So let me know in the comments what you think about this thing. If you like it, you hate it, if you think I'm wasting my time with it, if you have any ideas of what I can do to make it better besides burn it. Other than that, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button. Every like helps the channel, and I'll see you next time.